Hi all. Today we've got the SCORPCO folding knife, which is made out of D2 steel, G10 scales, and they're really grippy. Like if you get any blood or guts over that, that's not going to slide out of your hand. 3.3mm thick, and they're $65. I'll give the blade a bit of a clean as soon as I've been using it, and we'll do a bit of feathering on this stick, which is hardwood, but we'll give it a go. It might be not there. It's comfortable to hold on to. That's a plus. Does feathering quite easy. Got some good feathers off that. And the price of these knives are $65. So you can't ask for much more than that. I mean, D2 steel, do a bit of notching. Let's see how we go. Alright, beautiful. It's going to be good all round. You could use this knife for everyday carry. So we wipe it down. Everyday carry. Alright, we'll see how sharp it is after that. Absolute razor sharp steel. I'm just letting the weight of the knife just go down on it. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yep. Anyway, that's one beautiful pocket knife that I'll get quite a lot of use out of. So that'll do the video. And if you like the video, feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video.